This video is brought to you by our friends at Squarespace. Hi, happy December. Welcome back. I'm Alice and this is Wonder Crochet. It's that time of year again where we can do all things crafty and Christmas and holiday related. If you missed my Christmas decorating video last year, I decorated the craft room and I crocheted some ornaments too for the little tree that I got for the craft room. So today we are going to decorate the craft room. We're going to put up our little tree and we're going to crochet a new ornament for it. I decided last year that I want to crochet a new ornament every year for this little tree, and then in several years it'll be full of fun handmade ornaments, and I can't wait for that. So we're starting off our morning very cozy. I made some holiday spice tea and had pumpkin pie for breakfast. That was actually my first time making a pie ever, which was so strange because I enjoy baking but have never made a pie. And it turned out really well, so I was excited about that. But first I want to show you all the fun winter Christmas things that I've been crocheting lately. If you haven't already seen them, I'm kind of excited about these plushies that I've made. The first, which I'm sure you've already seen, is my Christmas tree pillow. And there's a mini one too. This is a free pattern on my blog, and I love crocheting cute pillows out of Sweet Snuggles yarn. But on my channel here, I have the tutorial for this little guy, and they are pretty much the same pattern. I just used larger yarn and a larger hook for this one to make it big and fluffy. But I'm excited about this one. And as you know, I love making free crochet patterns and posting them on my website for all of you. If you also would like your own website to post crochet patterns or to sell your own crochet makes, I definitely check out Squarespace. So if you don't know already from watching many of my other videos, Squarespace is the #1 platform for entrepreneurs and creatives to succeed online. They make it really easy so that you can build your own website with no prior web design experience and have it up and running in no time at all. It has all the tools so you can sell physical goods as well as digital content and services. And there's also flexible website templates, so you can get started with a professionally designed Squarespace website template where you can customize the look, update the content, and then add the features to fit your needs. So if you want to create your own beautiful website from the ground up with no prior experience, go to squarespace.com/wondercrochet and use the code wondercrochet to save 10% on a new website or domain. Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video, and let's get back into our fun holiday crochet mix. Okay, the next Christmassy crochet pattern that I've made recently is this cute little gingerbread family. I originally made this gingerbread girl, and then I was like, well, she needs a friend. So I made the little gingerbread man. And then I love crocheting many things, so I had to make the baby. But I think this is one of my new favorite patterns. It's in my shop, and we are going to put these out to decorate the craft room today. These and the trees, and I'll show you what else. I also crocheted these little Christmas mice. This pattern is in my shop, and I did this little Santa Mouse and then Mrs. Claus. And this one, if you have seen A Muppet Christmas Carol, I made this kind of to look like the little mice in it because that's maybe my favorite, or at least top 3 favorite Christmas movie. We are going to use these cuties to decorate the craft room as well, and then we'll pull out some old Christmas plushies from storage too so we can decorate them around the room. So first, let's take down all of the fall decor and put that away for next year. I have so many plushies here that I need to ship out, so we are going to move these out of the way, and I'm going to ship them out later today. But I also want to make room at the top of this bookshelf to put all of the dolls that I've crocheted. So right now I have some animals up there, but I want to put my fairies and the strawberry shortcake dolls up there, and then move my animals down here. So I am going to see if I can clear out another one of these cubes to put more plushies in. So let's do that real quick. wanting to do that for a while, and I really love how it looks with all of them up there. Now, if I come out with another doll pattern, I don't know what I'm going to do. It's good for now, and it gives us more room in the rest of the room. And then I put my other plushies down here. So really, I just need to use more yarn so that I have more space. So I went to an arcade this weekend, and it's one of those ones where it's all claw machines and you can win a bunch of plushies. Do I need more plushies in here? You just saw me moving all those out of the way, but I just had to have these. I'll probably give some of them away as gifts, but I thought this one was so cute. So I think I am going to look for a Santa hat to put on Stitch so that I can leave him out as like Christmas decor. It's a perfect fit. Now the last thing that I have to do on my desk is switch out these pictures here. I have all these really pretty fall art prints, and of course I have ones for winter too, so let's get those out and put them in the frames. I'm so excited for these because I bought them I think in August or September when I got the new fall ones, and I haven't looked at them since. Oh, and I got new spring ones too. I'll link the Etsy shop where I got all these, but they are just too adorable. And there they are. This took a lot longer than I thought it would because I had to trim some of them to fit in the frames. But I just love these prints, and I feel like it just adds such a cute, wintry, festive look to the room. Here's my very makeshift bag of little plushies, and I have some ornaments in here. I really need to get a bin for this because the bag is even torn. It looks very sad. So here is the ornament we made together last year. A cute little rainbow ice cream cone, and I'm just going to hang it right here. I don't have a ton of crochet ornaments since I basically just started last year, but I had some mini crochet items that I kind of turned into ornaments. But as I said, we'll make a new one every year, and then I'll have a lot of cute ones, and maybe we can replace some of these, you know, not as cute ones. The little crochet popcorn, a little piece of candy. So I'm going to keep putting these ornaments on, and then I'll show you the tree when it's done. There is our little crochet tree so far. I actually have more ornaments than I thought. Basically just little plushies. I still need to put the actual wire on a few of these. I kind of just stuck them in the tree for now. So now let's crochet our ornament for 2024. So, little disclaimer before we start, if you can't tell by my voice, have a cold now, so I'm losing my voice. So I'll tell you what we're making, and then we'll do just a little montage of me crocheting it. So it's really hard for me to decide what to crochet for our ornament for this year, but I think I'm going to make my itty bitty s'more because I think that'll be the perfect size for the little Christmas tree. So the yarn that I'm using for this pattern is Parfait Chunky in Toffee, and teddy bear for the chocolate, and then of course white for the marshmallow part. And I think I'm going to use a 4.5mm hook for this one since I want it to be small. So let's get into making our itty bitty s'more, and I'll show you how I make it into an ornament. Of course, I'm watching another Christmas movie while I'm crocheting, and this is Last Holiday with Queen Latifah. If you have never seen it, it's one of my favorite Christmas movies. Top 3 for sure. And the hotel that they stay at in the movie, if you've seen it, it's gorgeous and it actually exists, and it's my dream to stay in it. Okay, back to crocheting. Okay, here's our cute itty bitty s'mores. I have 3 different sizes of this pattern. I have like the regular jumbo size. It's not really jumbo, but the regular size, a mini, and then this itty bitty. And someone said that I should make a teeny weeny version and make it even smaller than this. And honestly, I think I'm gonna try and do that this week just to see how small it would be. So give me a follow on Instagram if you want to see that. Okay, anyway, I am going to, oh, that does not match. I don't think it really matters though. I'm going to use worsted weight yarn to make a little loop for this so that we can hang it. And I'm using worsted weight yarn because I think it'll hold up just a little bit better, like going back and forth on the branches. I don't want the chenille yarn to shed. So let's measure this here. And I'm just going to cut just a small tail here, and I'm going to weave it in the top with this sewing needle, and then I'm just going to tie this in a knot, a double knot, just to make sure that it stays. And then I am just going to twist it so that the knotted part is inside, and hide that tail in there. And there it is. Now let's hang it on our tree. And there is our 2024 ornament, and there is our tree. I realized that I still need to crochet a star for the top. That's a project for another day. But thank you so much for watching my little Christmas vlog. I hope you've enjoyed decorating with me, and maybe I've given you some new ideas on how to decorate or celebrate this season. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again real soon.